Hi, Danie McNeil, General Manager for EdConnect Australia here. I'm reaching out to our past EdConnect volunteers with a special request for you. As you may be aware, across Australia we're experiencing a downturn in volunteering, and EdConnect is feeling that trend. But with our member schools, the need for our volunteers and our program has never been greater. A learning support volunteer can provide in a classroom or for a program is invaluable for teachers, students and the school. But also the ability to match a student with a mentor, a student who needs that social, emotional or academic support, that trusted person in their life and a role model is also in high demand. So my question to you is, well, I've got three actually. My first one, has your situation changed? Do you now have capacity that you could return to volunteering and commit an hour a week in school hours? If so, please reach out to us. We would love to hear from you and get you back into volunteering with EdConnect. My second ask is perhaps you don't have capacity at the moment, and that's completely fine. You can't donate your time, but perhaps you could donate financially. All donations are tax deductible, but the funds raised will help continue to build our program to support more students and more schools, recruit more volunteers. So my third ask is please join us as an EdConnect community champion. Share the amazing work of our organisation, the stories, the impact, the outcomes with your friends, your family, your networks. Encourage them to volunteer. If you know someone who would make an amazing EdConnect volunteer, really encourage them to find out more information, make a real big difference in our community for our students and our schools. So they're my three asks, and I'm hoping one of the three that you're able to do and to assist us with. We really appreciate you being part of our EdConnect community, and we want to stay engaged and connected with you. I'm going to finish my request with a quote from one of our volunteers, Lionel. Volunteer keeps you involved and engaged in the community in a positive way. And working with our young people is one of the best things you can do because they are our future. And I think he's hit the nail on the head. So thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to my request. And we hope we can remain connected and you can support EdConnect in one of the three ways shortly.